Hey, my name is Anton from Elevate Clients, and today I just wanted to show you guys on how you can set up an automated Facebook Messenger bot to send thousands of Facebook DMs and book more meetings for your agency or B2B business. So let's just jump into it and start with what you're gonna need. You're gonna need 8 Facebook accounts, and I definitely recommend getting at least 20. Then you're gonna get one proxy per each account. So in this case, it's gonna be 20 proxies. And I need to go and buy hide my account and then Facebook Messenger bot. So what this allows is you can connect your proxy to this, so it hides your account as the name says. And the Messenger bot is what you're actually going to be using to send those messages over to people. Let's just next jump into how hide my account looks like and actually set up a campaign for one of our clients. So here's what it looks like when you've got all these accounts connected. We currently got 19 different Facebook profiles connected to hide my account. And if you need to add more accounts, and when you're actually starting with this, you're gonna click this and then just enter profile name. I'd recommend using the email account that you're gonna be actually signing into Facebook with. So let's use some example, ddd@gmail.com. Once you get proxy, you're gonna go here, press your proxy, then put the IP, port, username, and password here, and then click check proxy, and then click create. It's pretty straightforward and easy to do. Let's sign into one of the Facebook accounts, so let's press run. And it's gonna load up a new Chrome profile here using the proxy. And here we go, we're signed into one of the accounts that we got. So when you get these accounts, you need to always clean up the accounts so there's not gonna be any random stuff on the timeline for people to see. And then always go into settings and privacy, and then hide your friend list and hide your posts just in case, and make the account look as legit as possible. And for the Messenger bot, you can use the one login you're gonna get for all of these accounts, but you need to individually set up the Messenger bot for all of these Chrome profiles. So I've actually got it loaded up right here. So let's just press and run. So currently I've got no bots working. So let's just go on and create a bot. We're gonna go here and let's start creating a new script from scratch. CF chunk removal 2. Then add list, then click this icon. We're going to be creating 3 different script variations, so I'm not going to get banned and see how those perform. So hey, we help chunk removal companies get 60 new jobs per month using our system. Let's use the VSL call to action. So how can I send over a video on how this works? In this case, we're going to be targeting Chicago, so we help junk removal companies in Chicago get 60 plus new jobs per month. Can I send over a video walkthrough how we do this? So here we go, we got 3 different scripts right here to test out. what we're gonna do next is we're gonna get the list. We're gonna be targeting junk removals in Chicago. You can get the Facebook profiles easily using D7 Lead Finder. I've got the list right here, so I'm gonna pick these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. We've got 10 different Facebook pages of the businesses to add to the campaign. Then we load up the Facebook profile again, hit this robot icon, and then start creating the bot. For the name, I'm gonna be using the client name, so CF junk removal. Then just add the profiles right here. Let's make sure we've got 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. We've got 10 Facebook profiles here. When you're setting up these campaigns, we recommend going and upping the volume by 10 each week. So I'm in the first week with this account, I'm gonna be only sending 10 per day, so I'm just gonna add 10 different profiles here. And next week I'm gonna add 20, then 30, then 40, and then 50. So always up it up by 10 each individual week. So that's how you're not gonna get banned. We've got the script right here. Let's use this one. And for these settings, I'd recommend using 9 to 14, and then 5 to 10. Let's double check that everything is all right. Now we should be good to run the campaign. Let's press save, agree and continue. And here you have the options to just delete the bot, edit the bot, and then actually run the bot. So let's run the bot. It's gonna load up the Facebook Messenger bot right here. So DM bot is working. Please keep this tab open. And it's gonna keep on sending these messages in the background. Right, perfect. So the first message is sent to the lead. Here you go, guys. This is the way you can send thousands of Facebook DMs per day. So get 20 Facebook accounts, 20 proxies, get hide my account, then Facebook Messenger bot. I hope this video helps you guys out in setting up the Facebook bot and getting those meetings that you need.